Hey guys, EBPMAN here. Now if you'd like to be able to take your Google Pixel watch and make it look like this guy right here, check it out. Giving it a rugged, I would say more athletic look, you'll want to check out this video because today we're going to be taking a look at this band from Unicorn Beetle SUPCASE that literally just takes a couple seconds to snap in your Google Pixel watch and you get this kind of look. Let's go ahead and check it out. Now this is a real simple solution from the folks from Unicorn Beetle, right? It is basically a band case combination all in one. Check it out. Literally what they've done here is they have taken the Google Pixel watch by removing the band, and I'm going to take this out of here so you can see what I'm talking about, and then just snapped it into this case. So what you're actually getting is a case and I would say and watch strap combo, right? So here's your case and then here's your watch strap. Nothing comes off, everything is all together. And it makes it look like an active watch, you know, one of those more rugged watches. So all I did is I removed the two bands, which for the Google Pixel watch, all you have to do is press the little button that's right here. You press the little button, let's see where it is, that right here. You push it in, it's on each side, and then the bands slide out. Once you slide that out, all you do is you take it, you insert it just like, you see me do it just like that, and then all of a sudden now you have a total different look. More importantly, it gives us this rugged look that if you really are looking to protect your Pixel watch, this is the way to go. All of the functions remain present, right? So you can see everything is still there and everything still works. Even the buttons that you have here on the side, you know, it has the ability to, you know, to go back, and everything is accessible there. And then, you know, any kind of swipe features still work. Very, very simple, and it looks great. So I'm going to go ahead and strap it onto my wrist so you can see the difference. And it also gives it some bulk. I kind of like watches that are a little bit larger, and the Pixel watch, in my opinion, for my like, is a little bit too small. So take a look at what that looks like now. See that? So love the protection that you get all the way around, and then also none of the functions get impaired in any way. It just makes it look like a total different watch. Great, simple solution. Again, from the team from Unicorn Beetle. See you in the next video.